Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up autosave in Amazon Photos. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to automatically backup your photos and videos on Amazon Photos, here's how you can do it. To get started, open the Amazon Photos app. Once you're in, tap on the Amazon logo icon on the top left corner. Now here should be an option for Turn on Autosave. Tap on it. In the Autosave settings, you will see option to automatically backup your photos and videos. Toggle on the switches for photos and videos to enable automatic backup. This ensures that every new photo or video you capture is safely stored in your Amazon Photos account. You can also customize your backup preferences. For instance, you might choose to upload content only when connected to Wi-Fi to save on mobile data usage. Additionally, you can select specific folders to backup, giving you control over which images and videos you are included in the automatic backup process. Once you have configured your settings, your device will automatically backup your selected photos and videos to Amazon Photos, providing a secure and convenient way to preserve your memories. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.